How to get to $250 plus per day online. Do you want to make money online, but everything seems too complicated? Let's face it. Learning how to do affiliate marketing is hard work. Everybody is telling you to do different things. Offer different products. Set up different sites. Get traffic in different ways. But they all expect you to get the same results. Why are there so many different methods, and do any of them work? In truth, they all should work, if you are given the time to understand and implement them. But there's most of the trouble. You're not given the time before another method is thrust under your nose and you're expected to run after another wild goose. It's no wonder you can't make any affiliate commissions. Because different sets of rules are constantly being thrust at you, and it's all dumped in your lap at once in one confusing mess. What I'm telling you is to the point. The best part of the method is you don't need a website. No skills, no experience required. No technical stuff. Completely newbie-friendly method. Get started with low investment today. I've leave a link right below this video, go and check it out. This method allows you to make money while sleeping. Note my words.